Hello and welcome to Physics Mr. Bedwell. Today we're doing Physics Practical Hooke's Law, which for Physics is Practical 6 and Combined Science Practical is 18. And this is what we'll need. So we have a clamp stand, which we've clamped to the table to make it secure. We then have two bosses. On the bosses are clamps. The first one supports a ruler, which you need to make sure is vertical. The second one holds a spring. If you look at it, that spring has been lined up to the 0 mark. So we can measure the initial length, which we record in a table such as this. When looking at it, so make sure you look straight down at it with your eye in line to make sure you don't get a parallax error, or else it could distort your readings. So once we've written the initial length, we will add the masses. And now we're measuring to the bottom of the spring, the same part of the spring we looked at before. It's best to use the part of the coils. Remember, this counts as 100 grams, even though it's got a base and a hanger. You can then add masses, 100 grams or 10 grams at a time, depending on your type of spring. And it will start to extend. You can record this extension in the table, and then plot a graph like this. You should find a relationship. Force is proportional to extension, and that constant of proportionality is known as the spring constant.